Okay, so you really want to know what we do in the film program? Take a look. We went to Monsterpalooza, which was amazing. We explored the Universal Studios backlot. We went to Cinegear. Wow, what a show. Getting to meet all of the camera and lighting companies. What a dream. We filmed the movie, Wolf Valley Part 2. The first one was so good, we had to make a sequel. This is the film school alternative, the hands-on process of making a movie with real film mentors just like me, where you'll get a 4K master of your movie, all the behind the scenes of you working on the film, and an experience that you'll never forget. You're gonna learn so much, you're gonna meet so many great people. We took the film team on an exclusive tour of Propstore, which is the ultimate collector's paradise. It's where movie memorabilia and screen-used props go to auction, and you can actually buy these items. So these are the biggest movies in the world, iconic movie props. We got to put on the white gloves and actually hold and touch some of these movie props. If you'd like to upgrade your creative skills and learn more about what I'm talking about, then join the Film Mentorship program. And I'll see you at creativehq.com.